This October 15th, 16th, and 17th, we're hosting another online permaculture summit. It's completely free, and I really want you to come attend. We have gathered some of the best permaculture minds on the planet to come and speak at this summit for these 3 days. And we're absolutely thrilled to be bringing you these people. You guys are actually the ones that inspired us to do it. You asked for us to put another summit together, and we've pulled it off. And so the summit is going to be completely free. It's sponsored by New Society Publishers. They're not only sponsoring the event, but they're providing thousands of dollars in prizes over those 3 days. And during the summit, like last time, we're going to work really hard to create opportunities to build community. You're going to be able to ask questions of these experts from all over the world. And most importantly, you're going to come away with 3 primary objectives: hope, knowledge, and a plan. And so each day is going to be themed around one of those key themes. The pandemic has really made it clear to a lot of people that we all could use a little bit more hope. It's been a really hard and trying time. Knowledge has been something that we've noticed as an organization has been in high demand. And so we really want to fill the weekend with incredible knowledge so that you can take your permaculture goals to the next level. And permaculture is all about planning. Really, at the end of the day, it's a design system. And so you're going to get tips and tricks on how to plan your property and your life better. And best of all, it's all free. We're giving this away for free. It's our launch for our annual permaculture design course, which starts in November. We're already getting tons and tons of registrations. That course is going to be absolutely incredible. We've grown our teaching team beyond what it's been in the past. So we're absolutely thrilled to produce another crop of students to go out and change the world, be change makers. And what's kind of cool about this event is Mitch, Ben, and myself are going to be hosting this event. So we're going to have a ton of fun. We're going to create interesting discourse and dialogue. One of the pieces of feedback that we got in the last summit was how much they appreciated having that long Q&A period. A lot of people got their questions answered. And so if you sign up for the event, I'll put a link in the show notes below. You'll get access to all the videos for a limited time after the summit, completely free. Unless you're absolutely super hardcore, you're probably not going to be able to watch all the videos. We're literally going from sun up to sundown every day for 3 days. And so if you're not one of those hardcore people and you want to be able to watch it afterwards, you'll probably want to sign up for the event. In that, once you sign up, you will be given notifications as to when we're going live, who's speaking, and you'll basically be able to have a pulse on the event during the weekend. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the show notes below. We'll make sure that we get to those. And if you know anybody that would benefit from a little bit of hope, knowledge, and a plan, and a general understanding of what permaculture is and how you can use it in your lifestyle, please do us a favor and share this as far and wide as possible. We really want to have as big of an impact as last time. Last time we had 45,000 people show up to this event. Let's make it 100,000 this time. Thanks so much, guys. I hope to see you on October 15th, 16th, and 17th at our online summit. Check our website below for all the speakers and get in touch if you have any questions.